As Yom HaShoa begins this evening, we remember the 6 million Jewish men, women, and children murdered by the Nazis in the Holocaust, the systematic attempt to annihilate the Jewish people from the face of the earth. We remember the Nazi death and forced labor camps, many of whose names, Auschwitz, Treblinka, Belzec, are seared into our memory. We honor the righteous among the nations who defied evil at the risk of their own lives to save countless Jews. And we pay tribute to the survivors whose courage helped birth and build the modern state of Israel, a living testament to resilience, hope, and prayer to restore Jewish sovereignty in the land of Israel. I'm proud to serve President Trump, who has taken unprecedented actions to combat the poisonous hatred of anti-Semitism, not only at home, but abroad. President Trump has had the courage to do what no prior American president has done, and that's to end the disastrous appeasement policies of the past and fulfill his promise to ensure the most anti-Semitic regime in the world never has the capacity to fulfill its stated goals to destroy the one and only Jewish state. President Trump twice took historic military action along with Prime Minister Netanyahu, to eliminate the existential threats facing both our countries. President Trump has demonstrated America's unending commitment to Israel's security over and over again. The terms never forget and never again, they're not slogans to us. They're a vow, a covenant, and a sacred promise that must always be fulfilled. Embassy Jerusalem will join the people of Israel in coming to a standstill in prayer as the air sirens blare across Israel. May the memory of the Jewish victims of the Holocaust be a blessing, and may God give us the wisdom and strength to fight the evil darkness that is anti-Semitism.